reaction, there's a lot to know. Thermodynamics helps reactions flow. Enthalpy, entropy, Gibbs energy, they tell us how reactions change, you see. Energy in systems, they're all connected. Enthalpy, entropy, how they're respected. Gibbs free energy, the key to the game. It decides if reactions are wild or tame. Enthalpy, entropy, Gibbs energy, they guide reactions, can't you see? Energy changes, they show the way, whether a reaction will happen today. Entropy is the heat we gain or lose. In reactions, it's the change we choose. Endothermic means heat's absorbed. Exothermic releases, leaving bonds dissolved. H tells if heat's released or taken. In a reaction, it's what's awakened. If H is negative, energy's out. Exothermic reactions, no doubt. If H is positive, heat's brought in. Endothermic reactions begin. Energy's either absorbed or freed. Enthalpy helps us see the need. Enthalpy, entropy, Gibbs energy, they guide reactions, can't you see? Energy changes, they show the way, whether a reaction will happen today.
Entropy is all about disorder. You see, the more disorder, the higher it'll be in a system. Randomness grows, the more chaos the entropy shows. The S is the change in the mess. More disorder means entropy's progress. If the S is positive, disorder's the theme. The system's spreading out like a dream. If S is negative, things are tight. Order's increasing, the more structured sight. Entropy's all about the spread of energy, matter what's ahead.
Now here's the big one, Gibbs free energy. It tells us if reactions are meant to be. HC is measured to pass the test. If Eg is negative, the reactions will go. It'll happen spontaneously, that's the flow. If Eg is positive, the reaction today. It needs energy input, that's the way. Needs energy input, that's the way. Gibbs so equilibrium's here. The system's balanced without any fear. Gibbs energy shows the final say on whether a reaction will make its way. In burning wood, heat's released with ease. Exothermic reaction, it's a breeze. The ice cube melting is endothermic. Absorbing heat is thermodynamic. Gibbs free energy tells the score in reactions, whether they'll happen or more. From burning fuels to photosynthesis, thermodynamics shows us the business. Enthalpy, entropy, Gibbs energy, they guide reactions, can't you see? Energy changes, they show the way, whether a reaction will happen today.
In burning wood, heat's released with ease. Exothermic reaction, it's a breeze. The ice cube melting is endothermic. Absorbing heat is thermodynamic. Gibbs free energy tells the score in reactions, whether they'll happen or more. From burning fuels to photosynthesis, thermodynamics shows us the business.
Enthalpy, entropy, Gibbs energy, they guide reactions, can't you see? Energy changes, they show the way, whether a reaction will happen today.
Enthalpy, entropy, Gibbs energy too. They tell us what reactions will do. Thermodynamics, it's the key to understanding chemistry, you and me.